All right, so now for the final subscription box that I received. This is the Maniology Mani and Me box for September. Okay, so as I open this box, I'm excited. They have their thank you with all of their social media, as always, but this is exciting. I know I can tell from this design that this is going to be like Halloween, geared up kind of theme. I'm excited. It says on the back here, it's the witching hour. Ooh, okay, so this is going to be like Halloween witches. I'm excited. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first, oh my goodness, look at this. First item in the box, super excited about. This is a drawing brush. Oh, wow. Premium tools for nail artistry. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we gotta take this out. I gotta look. Okay, this does have a beautiful cap that goes on here. And the actual brush itself is so pretty. Oh, look at this. Okay, look at that. Oh, it has purple rhinestones in it. How pretty. Let's check out the brush. Oh, that is a precise, tiny little brush. Oh my goodness. And it comes with a cap. I love the cap. Keeps all your bristles straight and from going all wonky. And it fits on there nice and snug. This is nice. I am so excited about this. Okay, and this month we don't have gummies. We have these little things. And these are, looks like they are chews, and this is a pineapple flavor. I'm excited to try these. Oh, you know what? These remind me of, I can't think of what it's called. They're like little gummies. You find them in like the Asian food aisle. I can't think what they're called, but they are so good. Oh, see. Definitely pineapple-y. And they remind me exactly of those Asian chews. Very, very nice. All right, I'm still chewing this. Give me a second. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't mix well with coffee. So now on to the stamping polishes. And the first polish up here is called Black Magic. Ooh, nice. Look at that. It's like a black holographic polish. That's really pretty. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I'm anxious to see how this stamps. In the past, they did a stamping polish. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, they did this stamping polish here, and it is called Celestial. It has glitter in it, kind of like a holographic glitter, and it stamps very well, and that glitter does show up in them, on the stamps, I should say. So I'm excited to see if you can pick up that holographicness in the stamp. So this is really exciting. And again, that was Black Magic. And if it doesn't stamp the best, I could totally see myself wearing this as just a regular polish. It's so pretty. Okay, and the next polish is this beautiful pink. And this is called, what is this? Love Potion. You know, this kind of actually reminds me of yet another stamping polish. Let me see. Oh, this one here. Okay, so let's see. Can you see that? Look at how similar those are. This one is a tiny bit darker, kind of more dusty, but this is a really, really bright one. This was from one of the summer boxes, and this is called Seashell. So I believe this had like a mermaid themed stamping plates that came with it. But again, this is really nice. I like this one a lot. And that one is called Love Potion. So very pretty. And again, another polish that if I'm not crazy about it for stamping, I think it'll be just a nice polish to wear. Okay, so now on to the two stamping plates. So the first one here is, let's see, this is MXN015. All right, so there we go. And this looks like it is Halloween themed. I mean, there is potion bottles, witch hats, there's like separate sayings in here. That's really cool. The rest of these are kind of full finger, different designs These are really cool. Interesting. Some black cats, feathers, a few skulls, and potion bottles. I think this is really neat. So this is a very exciting plate, and I can totally see doing this as either a just witches theme mani or a Halloween mani. I'm excited to do some reverse stamping with some of these full finger designs. Very neat. Okay, and the final stamping plate here is, let's see, this is MXM016. Ooh, and that's pretty. All right, so in the center of this, there is like a witch's cauldron with a bunch of smoke billowing out, I guess, and a lot of mini designs. These are neat. I really am digging these potion bottles. I think they are so interesting. There's a witch's broom. Oh, nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, so this is yet another great stamping plate. I'm really excited to use this. I want to see if I could think of a design that kind of incorporates using that smoke that's coming out of the cauldron. I think that's cool. Really, really nice. All right, so those are the items that were included in September's My Mani box. I am excited. I love this paintbrush. I am so excited to use this. Oh, I think it's going to be amazing. So excited. And these stamping plates with that kind of witches theme, I think are going to be really cool to use too. Like I mentioned, this one using a lot of reverse stamping and a lot of bright witches colors. And I think that would be really cool with these. And this one, I'm really digging this smoke, or like smoke coming out of the cauldron. I'm not sure exactly what that would be called, but I really like it. It's really interesting, and I want to see exactly how that's going to stamp and if I could do some really cool designs using it. So I'll leave the link for Maniology down in the description if you're interested in receiving the Mani and Me box. Also, they have great starter kits for stamping. They're excellent. They include their 2 stamping plates, and then there's a couple mini stamping polishes, and then you get one of those really cool ice cube stampers, which I love. I love their stampers. I think they work so great for me. But yeah, check them out and see what you think. Please leave any comments or suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.